And plus, if you did, nobody cares.
Honestly.
What the hell? Why you sounding on poultry?
Where's this last
Why you
person?
sound like a whole chain?
Where's the last kid at? Where's the last kid? Come on, Red. You're using beacons? That's bannable.
Nuh-uh.
Yes, it is.
I just have to see her.
I don't know. Come here, you.
Yo, anytime I walk, I lag.
Mother.
I'm using 60 hertz.
Gosh darn it, I messed up.
Bro, what is that tag, bro? What a flick tag, bro.
I don't know, bro. That's a Nick. Okay, I'm walking towards the lava monkey. That's just great. That's just awesome. Don't come over here or else you're father.
Oh no. I'm totally getting tired.
Yo, wings. Yo, bat wings. Bat wings. If you come over here, then your father left you. Bro, you suck, bro.
How do I just tag you with E, bro? You're running
Tag
for
you
your
to
life right now.
Nuh-uh.
Bad.
I was barely running.
Yeah, so am I.
Nuh-uh.
I'm not even running with any of my
Okay, who tagged me?
Running with one. Not me.
buddy. I'm not even trying.
I
Shut
did.
up.
Not me.
Ah,
He did. He did. He did.
I did.
GG's.
I did.
GG's. Oh, free tag.
clicked you. Yo, you. Yeah, bro. Okay.
Got
Now
him.
you get back here, bud.
GG's.
Got him.
That was me.
I got him.
No, I have it on cam.
That's the closest one here.
I have it on
Closest one
cam.
to him.
I have it on cam. I have it on cam, little boy. Search up my YouTube channel.
I
Guys.
love meat.
Guys. Holy cow.
Guys.
Yo, who can do this? Guys.
Who can do
over
what?
here.
Kill your mom?
Who can do this? No.
You're using beacons, that's why.
You're acting like you're so
Yeah, huh?
I don't care.
You guys. Guys, did you know that you can't actually get the finger painter?
Why is little bro always last?
Who's always the last?
Yeah, he's always last.
Hell no.
Flower Hat is Skibbity Rizzler.
Okay, that's the end of the video.